Let me show you the Upstream Test Navigator. We've had the ability to view Upstream tests for quite a while, but we realized that it would be nice to have a navigator function for this to make it a little clearer. So remember, usually you'll have your cucumber tests right here, referencing a bunch of tests in your that you've recorded or created in some way. And sometimes it's easy that it gets a little messy. Let's say here I have the test add product. Oh, I wonder where this test step is being used. So what you used to do is you would be able to navigate up in the tree hitting this show upstream tests, and that would just navigate up in the tree. But instead now we kind of created this navigator which shows you all your upstream tests. So I can now see that my add product is used in create product, add other product, etc., etc. And also where it's used by a test that is being referenced, you can now see the full tree. So I think this is very helpful. Before you would have to navigate several steps, and let's say you have a test that reference a test that reference a test, it can get complicated. But here you would see it as a tree, and you can expand and you can see exactly how your test step is used. So this is really useful for navigation, but also useful if you want to refactor your code. You say, I'm going to change this test. What am I going to affect, and which cucumber scenarios is going to be affected by this? So I think this is a nice modification. And also here, if you use the icon, you can easily just navigate to the test. Let's say I'm on another test and I go here, I can easily navigate to the test by clicking this test case icon. And as you can see, I can do many and I can switch between them. And when I no longer need to check them, I will just close them here. So it's more of a navigator concept for your test case references, your plug test case. So I hope this will be helpful for you, especially when you have a bit of a bigger project.